Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to mention someone in your WhatsApp status. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Next, tap on the Status tab at the bottom of your screen. At the top, tap on My Status to create a new status update. You can either take a new photo or video or choose one from your gallery. Once you've added your media, look for the @ icon at the bottom right corner and tap on it. A new screen will appear where you can start typing the name of the person you want to mention. Select the contacts you want to tag. Yes, you can tag multiple people in one status. After selecting the contacts, tap the check mark at the bottom right to confirm. Once you're done creating your status, hit the send button to post it. And just like that, the people you tag will get a notification that they've been mentioned in your status. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.